All right, the next question is really, what strategies would you suggest for companies to motivate and empower direct sellers? So there's a lot of things companies can do to really set up their field for success. I think the top most important is really transparency and trust. It's so important that your sales field has faith in what you're doing and trusts the process and sees all the good work you're doing. So that transparency on the good days and the not so good days is really important to build a loyal field that just keeps coming back for more. I think the other thing here that we're seeing a lot of changes around is some of the policies, right? Most modern direct sellers are looking at multiple income streams. So I'm a big believer that long gone are the days of saying that once you're with our company, you can't work with other companies at all. Those direct sellers that are going to be committed to you are going to keep coming back to you. You don't need a policy to enforce that, because we're seeing time and time again people looking for other income sources, especially in years where income might feel down. They're really looking at other opportunities that they can leverage their personal brand that they've built to create a bigger income. So from a policy perspective, that's really important. Of course, recognition and incentives is huge as well when you're hitting sales milestones. And it's not just for the top 1% of your company, but we're really thinking about what those incentives look like for those that are consistent or kind of more in the middle of the road, that middle tier of performers in your organization. It doesn't always have to be just for the top. Give a reason for that mid-level to be excited. A lot of research out there shows that most direct sellers are just looking to make a couple $100s a month. So set those rewards in place for those people that could just strive to hit that maybe $250 in commission each month or $500 in commission each month, and have some cool incentives available for them too, so they have something to reach for and build for as well. And then I think the other thing that companies can really do is invest in the field with training and systems and strategy and coaching and working with them to stay relevant and plugged in. I see direct sellers across so many companies that are joining outside programs to get the training and skills that they need to be successful, because it's not provided at the company level. So when you're thinking about investing in your field, don't just think about the incentives or the comp plan, but really think about the tools, the systems that they need to be successful. Because the more we can equip them with that training, the more successful that they're going to be and their team is going to be as well.